This bubonic plague was actually such a thing that made the French people afraid of staying here. So, the government started with the policy that was called as the rat hunt, and they had to take the help of the Vietnamese, the natives, in catching the rats. Imagine, rats played havoc in the lives of the French people, who were so powerful that they had overpowered the Vietnamese. And another thing is that to conquer such a problem, they had to take the help of the natives. Well, when this was continuing, what happened? The rat hunt which was started by the French people said that the Vietnamese were paid according to the rats that they killed. And what was the proof? What proof they had to show that they had hunted those many rats? They had to clip the tail of the rats, as many as they actually had trapped and killed. Now, the people, the native people, they started bargaining and started demanding for more money in order to kill the rats. And they enjoyed this because it gave them a feeling that there is something in which they are superior to the French people. Therein also came a lot of corruption because the Vietnamese just started clipping the tails of the rats and they did not kill them. So that they were there and they were kept paid, they were actually paid for doing this job. To add to this misery, some of the Vietnamese also started breeding rats. They started actually keeping rats, and this was bad because in order to curb a problem, the policy which had been started, that is the rat hunt, actually proved disastrous for them because the Vietnamese were cheating them. So, it is said that sometimes the weak can actually trouble you in such a way that you do not understand that what has to be done. Ultimately, the government had to scrap this program of rat hunt. So, it was a big blow to the mighty French Empire in Vietnam, wherein they actually felt lost and defeated in front of the rats. So, this bubonic plague and the help which they took from the Vietnamese to actually overpower was a big blow to the great thinking that the French people had for themselves. Remember, this is one way of resisting against a mighty power, against somebody who is rich and powerful, against somebody that you cannot pick up your arms and you know that you will win. So, pick up small measures to hurt them, and rat hunt was one such measure.